take care of all that. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stick to just today. What'd you say? Yeah, Gio's easy anyway. I'm not lying to you. He's easy. When it's just him by himself, he's really easy. Yeah. But okay, he thought what? Yeah, oh, he's totally, yeah, you're gonna trip. You're gonna trip on that. Okay, bro, I love you. Right there.
Thank you. I got it from Harbor Freight.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
How much you pay for that?
I forgot. It was a couple hundred. But it's nice and quiet.
Have you got your tire thing working?
Yeah.
You know how to use it now?
Yeah. I got a tire changer there and I got the balancer over there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Jacobo got it going
Uh-huh.
on.
Yeah, I'll start up the Mustang right now in a little bit. It sounds good.
So how bad was that thing? They fucked me up, man.
It's just the skid plate. You probably need a new one. He tried to fix it, but it's like torn.
Yeah.
Where the little things hang on to.
I mean, is it a crucial that you have it?
Nope.
Okay.
It is.
See if I can find one. It's not expensive.
Yeah, maybe Amazon or something.
See, I was looking at my tires. I'm trying to see if these will get me through the winter time.
Getting close.
Getting close, huh?
Yeah. How's the rear one? It's a little thicker.